I've spoken to George Bower. We've spoken with Hoskins Sotutu. They become available at the end of the year. They're sort of at the moment, George has just re-signed with the Crusaders, so he's got a New Zealand contract. Maybe he's not far away from back up to the All Blacks. I'm not sure where they're thinking. Hoskins hasn't been picked for the All Blacks for 3 years, but he's still contracted to the Blues. So, there are another couple of players that would be keen to play for Fiji, but they're tied up in New Zealand contracts. Maybe both of them are still there and thereabouts in the All Black reckoning. I don't know. I don't know what they're thinking, but there'll be players we're chatting about the opportunity. So, there's 3 or 4 players there that we'd like to be able to consider for selection. We're not saying we'd guarantee select them, but they're players that are going to be definitely in the conversation around selection.